Hi, I'm Tyler, Product Manager with Teradek Live, and today I'm going to show you how to enable dual link on Sony ENG cameras using the Node 2. This setup is also applicable for the Node 5G. So to configure the Node for Sony cameras, you must download the Node Manager for Windows, so we can set up the Node for a Sony compatible mode. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is check the firmware. I need to be at the shipped firmware ending at 202 for dual link function. Older firmware will work with the Sony, but not provide dual link support. For assistance for firmware upgrade, just contact us at support@teradek.com. Next, change the Node to Ethernet mode and it will reboot. Note that the Node is no longer compatible with Teradek products in this mode. After the device returns, leave it in the default IP address range and set the proper connection information on your SIM. I'm using Teradek priority data in the US because, hey, it's the best. Okay, now that we've configured one of the modems, let's configure the other one so that we have dual link on the camera. Basically, the configuration is the same, but one thing. On the IP address range, we set it for 192.168.225.x range. This allows the Sony camera to recognize two different paths for dual link. The two nodes are configured. Let's get them plugged in. So I've already set up my authorization for Sony C3 portal on this camera with the proper ports, the user credentials, and everything else. All right, now that that's set, we've confirmed the IP addresses, let's get over to the C3 portal. In the C3 portal, go to Settings, Transmitter, and set the group. Once you go to Live, you'll see the camera show up, allowing control. I'm going to attach it to this main output here to allow dual link. The camera has now started encoding and it begins to send video across both nodes. And that's it. The Teradek Node 2 and the Node 5G enable Sony ENG cameras to have a dedicated pathway to dual link in the Sony C3 portal. You can buy these right now at teradek.com.